Hey there! Did you know Palm Tran has an all-new app? You can download it for free on your Apple or Android device. Finding a route, planning a trip, even getting alerts on your ride, it's all easier than ever. Watch our brief overview. After your initial install, this will be the home screen when you open the app. If you already know which route you want to take, look toward the bottom of your screen and then click the Select Routes button. From here, you'll find all of Palm Tran's fixed routes. And for this demonstration, we'll explore Route 1. Tap on that line, and you'll see a blue check mark appear to the right. On this screen, you can select as many routes as you want. Now, if you accidentally click on one that you don't need, just tap that line again, and you'll see the blue check mark will disappear. Okay, now that we've selected our route, let's close this and go back to the map by clicking on that X button in the top left corner. Now you can see real-time information about where the buses are on this route, where they're currently located. Let's look a little closer. Separating 2 fingers on your screen, we'll zoom in. From here, let's go ahead, tap on the bus icon. You'll see the bus number, the direction that it's going, if it's running on time, and where it's headed next. It'll also tell you how many riders are already on board. When you're done checking this out, you can swipe down this information tab. Now we can better see where all of the stops are located on this route. They're represented by these gray dots right here. Click one. Then instantly, you'll receive the stop number, the intersection, and you can scroll up from the bottom here to view all the upcoming departures from that stop. Sounds great. Now here are some bonus features of the Palm Tran app. If you frequently use this stop, click the star button to select this as one of your favorites. When you use the app in the future, you'll have quicker access to all the real-time information for this stop. Also, you can set up notifications to get a reminder when your bus is approaching this stop. To do that, click on the bell icon next to the departure that you want. Complete your preferences indicated on the screen, and then simply click the Add Notification button at the bottom. Now, let's go back to where we were. You can also now click on the X in the top left corner to return to your home screen map. And every time that you want details on this stop in the future, bypass the other steps. Simply click on the star right there in the top right corner of your screen, and that'll pull up all of your favorites. You can select the stop that you want, and then all of the real-time information will appear. And remember, you can favorite as many stops as you'd like for quick access in the future. Now, let's go over a few user tips. If you want to know where you are in relation to bus stops and routes, just click that target icon near the bottom left corner of your screen, and the app will show you where you are. If you click the globe icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, it'll shift to a bird's eye view. You can also click that same globe icon again, and it'll return to the normal map layout. Now, if something seems odd about your route service, or if you know of an upcoming event in the area that could block off some roads, select that red View Service Alerts button in the top center. You can scroll through Palm Tran's service changes, connect to alternative options, and also take note of the dates that the changes are in effect. Ready to hit the road? It's time to plan a trip. To do this, make sure you've allowed Palm Tran to access your location. You most likely click to allow this function during the installation of the app. Otherwise, you can go into your phone settings to allow location access while using the app. You'll need to have this to proceed. From the home screen of the app, you can plan a trip even if you don't know which routes to take or the exact address. Tap on that blue trip planning bar at the bottom of the screen. Now tap the line that reads From. Now notice the words My Location. If you're currently at your bus stop, you can select this option without having to type the exact address of where you are. However, if you're planning a trip where you'll be starting somewhere else, you'll need to tap on that From bar and type in your address. As you're typing, you'll notice that different locations may appear. At any time, you can select the option of where you'll be starting your trip. Follow the same steps when filling out your destination point by selecting the to line and then putting where you'd like to be dropped off. Don't worry if you don't know the exact address. The app recognizes most businesses, so you can actually just type in the business location of where you'd like to go, and then you can select from the drop-down menu of locations. Verify that everything is right on your from and to lines. If you need to make any changes, repeat the previous steps with the correct location. Now you're ready to tap the Get Directions button. You'll be taken to a screen with information on how long your trip will take and which routes you'll need to use to get to your destination. Make sure that you've selected Bus. Check out the different trips and select which one you'd like to take. Pay attention to the route number that's provided and the times at which that bus will arrive. If at any point you want to change your trip, look toward the top left corner of your screen and select the words Palm Tran. You'll be guided back to where you first planned your trip. So what did you think of the new Palm Tran app? We welcome your feedback on this and any other bus-related services. Let me give this a go. You see those 3 lines in the top left corner? Click there, then select the word feedback and share with us your thoughts. And if you need to contact us directly, we also have our phone number and hours of operation available for you. Thank you for choosing Palm Tran.